Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So, our group will discuss about bulking agent. So, I Muhammad Arif bin Ali will tell you more about the definition of bulking agent. So, the definition of bulking agent we know as food additivities are natural or artificial substance that may be added to food in small quantities to perform specific function, such example to prevent food spoilage and maintain freshness. Second, to assist the process of preparation of food to exchange the flavor and aspirations of food, and then to improve or maintain nutritional value. The main reason for using food additive is to keep food fresh and consistent in quality. Without food additive, food would quickly spoil, as the shelf life would be much shorter, and it might even pose a health hazard. Some additivities are essential for the creation of the product. Example, carbon dioxide to given the fizz in fizzy drink, or rising agent in cake. Then there's certain example for the bulking agent, such as sodium lactate, calcium phosphatate, alginic acid, and then the more detail about the what we call about the bulking agent. Okay, for example, sugar provide more sweetness to food. When the sweetness of food contain sugar is replaced with high intensity sweetener to reduce the calorie content, are the key attribute are often sacrificed. For example, take the sugar away from the ice cream or baked good, and the remaining product appear quite different and are usually inferior. Accordingly, another ingredient are need to make up the missing properties. These ingredients are usually referred to as a bulking agent because they provide the bulk of sugar. They are designed to restore the missing properties of sugar, namely bulk. Reduce calorie and water solubility. The leading bulking agent are used for this purpose, and polydextrose, ilunin, phos, resistant starch, and more maltodextrin. Detail for this ingredient are discussed in this chapter. That's what we call bulking agent.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You guys have seen the previous video about the bulking agent? Alright, so now let me tell you about the function of this bulking agent today. Okay, but first thing first, let me tell your name. Alright, so my name is Nur Shafika Liana binti Nazli. I repeat again, Nur Shafika Liana binti Nazli. Matric number 1161823. Okay, so in order to deepen your understanding, what is the main function of this bulking agent? Alright, so the function of this bulking agent is it is called non-caloric additive that we use to impact the mass and the volume of a food. And then we also use this bulking agent as a starch that we use as addictive that to increase the bulk volume of a food. But although we use this food additive, but it does not affect the taste and the nutritional value of the food. Did you guys think it amazing? Alright, for me it is very amazing. So I want to use this beautiful time to ask you guys and to ask you guys to give a big thumbs up to all of the scientists around the world, because I think without their knowledge in this science, I think maybe today we do not know what is the bulking agent, what is the food additive, and what are the methods that relate to our science today. Alright, so now okay, the next section of the function of this food additive is we use in the context of medication, bulking agent used such for a brain or psyllium that found in metamucil that can ease our constipation. So it is very useful for our healthy. So the next function of the bulking agent is we use in the content of weight loss. Okay, so the most common bulking agent that we use into the weight loss is the fiber that we call glucomannan. Okay, so if you guys, I think that many women out there such as me have many problem in the weight and in the weight of our body, right? So I think that this food additive, it is very useful, and maybe can help and maybe can help us to get a slim body. All right, then for your guys information as well, it is used in slimming food, beverage, bakery product, condiment, and it also used as seasoning, as filter in vitamins. Okay, so the next function is it will increase the volume of it will increase the volume of food without disturbing its utility, functionality, nutritional value, and their taste as well. Okay, so I think it is very wow for me, because this food additive, it is very safety to use in our food. Although this food additive that we call bulking agent are needed and used to make up to make up the missing property or the lost property in our food, but at the same time it never give an effect to the food taste or the food nutrition and other properties as well. So I think that it is very useful, and it is very amazing. So now, did you guys have know what is the function of the bulking agent, right? Okay, so if you guys want to know more about this food additive that we call as bulking agent, you guys have to watch the next video. So stay tuned for the next video.
Wabarakatuh. My name is Afla bin Aminuddin and my metric number is 116041. Today I want to talk about classification of food additive. The firstly is acid. The function of acid is to make flavor sharper and also act as antioxidants. Secondly is the stabilizer. The function of stabilizer is to give food as firmer texture and help stabilize the emulsion. Thirdly, emulsifier. Emulsifier is allowing water and oils remain mixed together in an emulsion. Next is sweetener. Sweetener is contained close to 0 calories. And finally is the thickener. The function of thickener is to increase a mixture viscosity without modifying its other properties. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright. My name Nur Hashimah binti Ahmad Al-Mansuri, metric number 116287. Right. E number represents specific food additive used by the foods industry in the manufacture of various food products. This E number have been formulated by the European Economic Community, is EEC, and are universally adopted by the foods in industry worldwide. Alright. Okay. There are few E group number in bulking agent. It is E325 sodium lactase, E341 calcium phosphates, E400 alginic acid, E401 sodium algina, E402 potassium algina, E403 ammonium algina, E404 calcium algina, E406 agar, E407 carrageenan, E412 guar gum, E414 acacia gum, is Arabic gum. E414 for acacia gum is gum arabics. E420 sorbitol, and the last but not least, E421 is mannitol. And that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nursyada Adia binti Bidisa. Nombor metrik 1161-870. I want to talk about additional information of booking agent. Booking agents are classified from fat replacer. Fat replacer can be classified into either fat substitute and fat mimic. Fat levers are very much on the agenda for consumer when purchasing food and food processor and have in their work to tackle the issue by the production of fat-reduced foods. However, fat also has some important sensory properties and contributes greatly to texture, mouthfeel, and satiety, and assist in the substitution of lubricity in foods and overall flavor. It is thus very challenging for food processor to compensate for these quantities in fat-reduced food variants. There are several ways in which reduced fat foods may be produced. The first and simplest method is partial reduction of fat through the use of technologies or alternative ingredients. This might include using baking instead of frying in the production of snack food, or the use of skimmed milk in yogurt production, or renal meat in a sauce formulation. The second method involves the replacement of fat with carbohydrate, protein, or lipid. Bulking agents are ingredients that increase the bulk of food with minimal effect on sensory properties. Many of the carbohydrate fat mimetics are also bulking agents and include starch and cellulose based components, as well as the polysaccharide limited polydextrose.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Ikmal Hisham bin Abdul Hamid. My metric number 1160518. As the conclusion, bulking agents such as starch are additive that used in food to increase the bulk volume of a food without affecting its taste.
Bulking agents are used to increase the bulk and hence sense of satiety, especially for food designed for weight reduction. Besides, we cannot say that bulking agents are harmful to us because every food additive have their own advantages and disadvantages. So, it depends to us on how we handle, we take, and we use in our daily life. In addition, a study shows that bulking agents are also used in weight loss as their ability to deliver fullness and decrease appetite. So that's all from us. Thank you.
You were the shadow